We'll guide you through FPS average, minimum and maximum not showing in MSI Afterburner. To fix this, there is two important steps. First, you just need to go to the MSI Afterburner. Just go to settings, click here and click on monitoring and just click on this show in on-screen display and just select text graph. Okay, click on apply and click on OK. The next very important thing, just click on search and search for river tuner. River tuner, just open it. If you see pop-up, just click yes and go to this tray, the show hidden icons tray. Click here. Now you will see the river tuner icon. Click on this. Now river tuner is open. First, most important thing, just show on statistics turned on. Show on statistic. You just need to turn this on. Okay, it is very important. And now click on setup. Just scroll down from here. Just scroll down and click enable benchmark mode. Turn this on. This is very important fix. Okay, click on OK. Now, whenever you play any game, you will see the average, max, and low this icon on game. Okay.